Hi, today I'm excited to share with you how I made this frame wooden bead vase for your wall. Let's get started. So I have this frame that my daughter picked up from a garage sale. She thought she wanted it in her room but decided not to. I am going to paint this inside piece white, and I would like to keep this wood as it is, but I need to come in and clean it up. But I am going to go ahead and paint it with this matte white color, and then I'll go from there. So I have painted the background of this painting that my daughter got from a garage sale. I did 3 different coats, and now I'm taking these wooden beads I got and I'm gluing them together. I'm making sure that I just put the glue on one side so that way when it faces the front, you don't really see the chunkiness of the glue. And I have some flowers that I bought and had out, and then I dried them out, that I am going to use as I put the bead vases together, so that way I can make sure that the glue isn't clogging the holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the vases together, and then after I put them together, I'll glue them down to the base of my photo frame, and then I'll be finished. right, so now I have attached the bead vases, and I've gone through my dried florals and I found some that I thought would look nice, and now I'm just going to place them into the vase. So here it is, my final picture frame. I really like how it turned out. I think this is really fun. I like that I have the background and I can hang it on the wall. Another option for the wooden bead vases is to get larger beads and make freestanding wooden vases. I've seen those on Pinterest and they look really good. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make your own, I would love it if you would post it and tag me at Pre-Loved Projects Shop, and I can see it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.